In the Plan checkpoint stage, Carol, the PMO, reviews the changes made by Jan in the Plan phase. Carol logs into the system. We'll enter Carol's credentials here. Now we're signed in as Carol. Because Jan submitted the project for an approval task for Carol is created. Carol goes to the Workflow Approval Task list to review tasks awaiting her approval. In the Workflow Approval Task list, she finds a new approval task assigned to her for the project payroll system upgrade. Carol wants to edit the approval task. By clicking Edit Item, Carol opens the Task Detail window with Approve and Reject buttons. This takes Carol to the Workflow Status page of the Payroll System Upgrade project. This page shows that the project is in the Plan checkpoint stage and is waiting for an approval. She can click on each of the PDPs and review the information. Closing the browser returns Carol to the approval task. She enters her comments and approves the task. Microsoft Project Server 2010 provides Contasso with the flexibility it needs to streamline processes, automate task management, centrally report time, and increase the accuracy of project forecasting. The enhanced capabilities to report time in Project Server 2010 provide a new single entry mode to unify time and task status updates, improve user experience, and centralize approvals. In the Manage stage, Hatim Ayed, the business analyst, uses time reporting systems to capture work and non-working time for payroll, invoicing, and other business purposes, and to send task updates to Jan, the project manager. Jan uses the intuitive user interface to approve task updates and updates to project plan, and uses various out-of-the-box collaboration mechanisms to keep the team and the management up to date on the project progress. Carol, the PMO director, uses the business intelligence and other reporting capabilities to gain insight, visibility, and control across all departments and projects. Hatim logs into the system. We'll put in Hatim's credentials here. Now we're logged in as Hatim. Project Server 2010 timesheet capabilities allow users to report time against billable project tasks and also against non-billable administrative tasks, such as vacation or jury duty. To complete his timesheet for that timesheet period, Hatim clicks the timesheet link. In this demo, Hatim has to select the period for which he wants to submit his timesheet. The select period allows Hatim to select past, current, and future timesheets. Hatim opens the timesheet for the time period. To increase flexibility and precision when entering data, the Project Server 2010 timesheet combines project and administrative time into one seamless view. To avoid duplicate data, the Project Server 2010 timesheet also shows the time that Hatim entered while he was reporting a task update during the same period. We'll enter Hatim's time for the Conduct Needs analysis. We'll put in 8 hours each day for the 15th, 16th, and 17th of March. This single entry mode of timesheet reporting unifies status updates against tasks and data entered in the timesheets by displaying them together. Because Hatim worked only part of the week, he reports the non-working hours against the vacation category. Hatim completes his timesheet and submits it for approval. He enters his comment and clicks OK. With a minimum of keystrokes or on-screen clicking, the timesheet and task reporting capabilities of Project Server 2010 can help Hatim to quickly find his assignments, update key data in place, save timesheets in process, and submit assignments individually or in bulk. Jan assigns some status reports to Hatim. Hatim clicks the Status Reports link to review and submit a report. Hatim sees a request from Jan for a status report. Hatim opens the status report. He can enter his major accomplishment. Clicking Send submits the status report to Jan for approval. Next, Jan Codis will sign in. We'll enter Jan's login information. Clicking the Task Updates from Resources link takes Jan to the Project Center Approval Center. The Approval Center uses the same intuitive user interface as the timesheet and task views, with commands to group, sort, and filter tasks to help users personalize and streamline their approval activities. Jan enters his comments and accepts the updates. This approves Hatim's task updates. Jan now wants to go to project details using Project Workspace. This takes Jan to the Project Center Plan and Manage view. The project site is a central location for all project-related information and convenient tools for the team to collaborate and share. This custom project workspace includes 3 pages: an initiation page, providing an overview of the project and its financial information, an execution page, including out-of-the-box web parts that help in the project execution, and a reports page containing all project-related reports. The execution page displays the project details web part, which shows the project plan at a glance. The execution page includes the following information: project details, which is a web part that displays the project plan with a Gantt chart, issues and risks, providing a central location for effective identification and management of issues and risks, and team discussions, which enable team members to openly communicate and debate topics within the project site. The workspace also displays the project blog out-of-box web part, which lists all of Jan's blogs. Jan uses blogs to provide frequent updates on project activities, such as recurring status reports and key announcements. Closing the browser will return Jan to Project Web App. After approving the task updates, Jan opens status reports to see if a team has responded. Jan opens the status report. Jan finds one response from Hatim. He opens the report to view the details. By clicking Open, Jan can view the complete status report that Hatim submitted earlier.